So you've written a book or you're in the process of writing a book, and naturally you want to see that book reach a lot of people, make a big impact, and become a bestseller. Well, I'm right there with you. Hi, I'm copywriter and consultant Casey Demchak, and I've been fortunate enough to be able to write the marketing copy for over 3 dozen books that have become Amazon bestsellers. And I want to show you how to do the same thing. In fact, I want to help thousands of authors become best-selling authors. So I created bookmarketingcopy.com so that I can teach you everything I know about how to write really effective book marketing copy. So I put together a number of programs that are going to give you step-by-step instruction, proven formulas, and blueprints. I'm going to provide you with a lot of checklists and templates and examples, everything I know about how to write really strong marketing copy for your book. In fact, I put my programs together. Kind of the idea behind it is to have it be the closest thing there can be to having me sitting right beside you, teaching you everything I know about how to write really strong book marketing copy. In fact, I got a free program right below you can check out, which is going to give you a lot of really good information and also give you an idea of how I am as an instructor and as your teacher. And if I can pump you up and make things fun as we go along the way, that's all the better. So have a look around, check out the site, check out all the resources I've put together. I'm always adding more. And never give up on your dream of becoming a best-selling author. I'm right there with you. Let's take a lot of action and make this happen.